Good afternoon, all. So, today we are going to discuss exercises of chapter number 8, the world of animals. Okay, so let's start. So, question number first is definitions. So, first one is habitat. So, the natural surroundings in which an animal lives. जो नेचुरल सराउंडिंग होता है जहाँ पे एनिमल्स लिव करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं उसका हैबिटेट. Second is fin, a membrane-like part extending from the body of a fish that helps in moving forward, steering or balancing the body in water. Third one is lungs, the spongy elastic bag like organ that help in breathing in some animals. Fourth one is spiracles, tiny holes on the bodies of insects that help in the exchange of gases. Fifth is migration, the long movement of animals from one place to another and back to their original home. Now, question number 2 is tick the correct option. First is the lower limbs of human beings are called dash. So the answer is legs. Second one is all insects have dash pairs of legs. So the answer is 3. Third is butterflies and moths move from place to place only by dash. So the answer is flying. Fourth is a lizard is a or an dash. So the answer is reptile. A lizard is a reptile. Now question number 3 is change the underlined word or phrase to correct the following statements. ओके, सो जो अंडरलाइन वर्ड है उसको आपको चेंज करना है, चेंज करके उसको करेक्ट करना है. फर्स्ट इज ग्रासोपर्स हैव वेब्ड फीट. सो इट्स रॉन्ग, ग्रासोपर के वेब्ड फीट नहीं होते हैं. सो आंसर में आएगा डक्स. डक्स के जो फीट होते हैं वो वेब्ड होते हैं. नाउ सेकेंड इज यूरोपियन स्टॉक्स कम टू इंडिया एवरी विंटर. सो इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट. यूरोपियन स्टॉक्स इंडिया में नहीं आते एवरी विंटर. उसका आंसर है सिबेरियन क्रेन्स एंड मलाड डक्स. ये दोनों एनिमल्स एवरी विंटर इंडिया में आते हैं. थर्ड इज पैड फिन्स इन फिश हेल्प टू मेंटेन बैलेंस. सो ये जो पैड फिन्स होती हैं फिश की वो बैलेंस मेंटेन करने में हेल्प नहीं करती, बल्कि उनका आंसर ये है कि एक्ट एज ओस एंड हेल्प द फिश मूव फॉरवर्ड. ये जो पैड फिन्स होती है वो फिश को मूव फॉरवर्ड करने में हेल्प करती हैं. फोर्थ इज वी ब्रीथ इन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो इट इज़ टोटली रॉन्ग. जैसे कि आपको पता ही है इसका आंसर क्या आएगा, ऑक्सीजन. वी ब्रीथ इन ऑक्सीजन. हम लोग अंदर क्या लेते हैं, ऑक्सीजन. So the next question is question number 4, short answer question. So first is name 2 aquatic animals that do not breathe through gills. ऐसे 2 एनिमल्स के नाम देने हैं जो गिल्स के थ्रू ब्रीथ नहीं करते हैं. So the answer is whales and dolphins are 2 aquatic animals that do not breathe through gills. जो whales and dolphins हैं वो ऐसे aquatic animals हैं जो गिल्स के थ्रू ब्रीदिंग नहीं करते हैं. Second is how does a frog breathe? So frogs breathe through moist skin. So third is how migrating animals find their way? So the answer is migrating animals find their way by orienting themselves with the help of the sun and stars. Some animals take the help of the sea currents. Some use landforms such as river valleys, mountain ranges, and coastlines. So fourth is, what kind of teeth do squirrels have? So the answer is, squirrels have small and sharp front teeth. Now, the last question of the chapter, question number 5, long answers. So first is, explain the fins of a fish. What are their functions? So we have to explain the fins of fish. Fish have streamlined, that is boat-shaped body, and fins that help them swim. There are 2 paired fins and 1 more unpaired fins in every fish. The paired fins act as oars and help the fish move forward. The unpaired fins help in maintaining balance. There is also a tail fin that helps in changing the direction. Now, second is, how is movement in snakes different from insects? Some reptiles, such as snakes, have no limbs. They use the scales or plates present on the lower side of their bodies to move and climb easily. They also have strong muscles and flexible backbone. So here, our exercises of chapter number 8 is completed. Thank you all.